have the very fabulous Tanya. Tanya is the matriarch of the group, so she is the female leader of the herd, and what an incredible leader she is. She keeps everyone well protected, in line and in check. She is extremely intelligent, she learns things with quickness, and she never forgets. She has an excellent memory. The funny thing about Tanya is though, she knows how special she is, so she is a little bit of a diva. So she does boss the other elephants around, and she also tries to make sure that her keepers are working hard enough to her liking. But yeah, she's a fabulous character. She's an excellent girl. As I said, an incredible matriarch of the group. And yeah, what a fabulous superstar she is. So behind me we have the very adorable Opal. Opal is a very sweet-natured elephant. She is very calm, very relaxed, very easygoing, very loving, very gentle. She likes to live life in slow motion, so she is a very slow-paced elephant. She's very patient with her enrichment. She really likes to take her time. She's very tactile. She really enjoys touching things and seeing what they're all about. For her training, bless her, sometimes it takes her a while to learn new things. She can get a little bit confused. But once she's understood what it is she needs to do, she is an absolute superstar with her training. So behind me we have Tembo. Tembo is our only bull elephant we have here at the zoo. He's a super sweet boy. He's very much a gentleman when it comes towards the other elephants and his keepers as well. He's a very, very good boy. Loves interacting with his training and coming over and enjoying his keeper interaction. As you can see, he's a very big lad. He actually weighs about 5.5 tonne at the moment, so he's a very big boy. But as I said, he's super good. We're very lucky to have Tembo here. So I've got Zola behind me at the moment. She's actually the smallest of our 4 elephants that we have. She weighs around about 4 tonne, so she's quite a petite little lady. She's probably quite easy to tell apart from the others because of her very short tusks that she's got. With her small size, she's actually quite a shy, quite a nervous elephant. However, she loves her training. She's really smart, really intelligent, and picks up a lot of new training very, very quickly. She loves spending time with our male Tembo, who's also in the paddock with her, and they've got a very sweet relationship. They often spend time together sharing each other's food with one another.